First, open the ABCproxy client. Next, select target countries and cities for screening. Click on the search. The IP addresses in this area are based on the filtering criteria. Select an IP address at random. Right-click to extract. These ports are available. Which port you choose is up to you. Click on the Today list. The first IP address is the one we extracted successfully. Click on Port Forward list. Find the IP we just selected. Click on the copy. Open the Tor Browser. Open Application menu. Click Settings. Click on the connection. Click Settings. The proxy type is SOX5. Enter the replication IP address here. Then fill in the port number. Click OK. And then you can use it.